I'm going to be showing you how to download commentary in eFootball. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is actually be in the game. Just go ahead and open the game, and once you're here, you'll be in this home page right here. And now you have all sorts of options like home, shop, academy, extras, and many more. Just go ahead and tap on extras right there, and once you're here you have information like user information, game settings, help, and support. So now what you need to do is tap on game settings. So after you're here, you will have options again like play settings, language, notifications, graphics, audio, and download data. Just go ahead and tap on language. After you're here, you can just select the language you want the commentary language to be in and go to audio. After you're here, you'll have this option of commentary right there. And now you can just select the language, and you'll have the option to download commentary data, and the game will download the audio files. If no language appears, this is very common. The reason is that commentary is not pre-installed, so some languages are region locked. So you can try to change your App Store or Play Store's region or reinstall the game and check commentary again. That's how you download commentary in eFootball. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.